What's up guys, Devin with Adventure Hobby Passion, back today doing another video. So I took my mini bike out, the blue mini bike. I ride all the time, especially not on camera. And I'm getting parade ready in this video, and we might even throw a little bit of the parade in this video. So I was riding it last time, and the last time I rode it, the back end would like lock up. It was locked up at the end, because it would, if you throttled it a little bit, it'd move barely, but the second you let off the throttle, it'd throw you over the handlebars. It's terrible. And then I'm going to flip the camera around and show you some things up in detail. So as you can tell from right here, there's some bluing on my brake disc, my rotor, whatever you want to call it. So that means that thing got really, really freaking hot. So, and you can see right there, my chain is kinked a little. So what I'm going to do today is take the back end apart, replace the chain, and then check out the bearings for the back tire, and then I'm hoping that fixes the problem, and then I'm gonna go take it for a rip, because today's Tuesday and my parade is on Saturday. It's a Utah parade for celebrating Utah becoming a state. It is the 24th of July. So yeah, we're gonna throw her up on the stand and get her working on. Alright, back another day. We're going to be taking the mini bike and testing her again. Got the new chain on. We need to do some stretching of the chain, so we're going to drive it a bunch today and tomorrow. And then we're going to retension the engine before the parade, which is on Saturday, and today is Thursday. So, but also in that, I was like, might as well do some test hits. So I'm going to pull up a GPS on my phone and then just use the GoPro on the helmet. And I'm going to run over to my test site, and I'm going to run the exact same thing over probably 3 times and get the GPS reading after every single run, put it on the GoPro. Hopefully it'll read it. I will also be yelling and talking to it, so if it can't read it, it'll hear it. And get that all tested, and then we're going to throw a race plug in and see if it makes any difference. My buddy says it makes bottom end. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. It's does a race plug make a difference from stock or something? It's in my video's descriptions. It's not. It's gonna be kind of old by the time this video goes live. But yeah, so let's get over that test facility, turn on the GoPro, and let's go. So we're at the test facility. I'm gonna be starting exactly on this sewer container thing, lid or whatever, every single time, so it's consistent. And then I'm gonna be going past this road and then to pretty much where that light pole is and letting off every time. I'm gonna try to get it as close as I can. Let me see if I can zoom in. Yeah, right there a little bit. Every time. And we'll also have the GoPro. So I'm gonna try to get it as close as we can. That's why we're gonna do a few tests so we can get an average, and then do the same thing with the other spark plug. And I'm also going to be using my butt dyno. So yeah, go this test thing. And sorry it's a little windy. She has warmed up a little. Alright, let's see how that was. 37. Alright, pretty much same area. Gonna get going. Alright, that one felt better. That one felt much better. And I launched a lot harder. What do we got? What do we got? 37 again. Alright, back here again. Gonna do it again. I coasted the furthest that time. $37 again. Alright, well, with it being so consistent, I think I'm going to go back, change the spark plug, and see what we can do. I'm interrupting your current message of the time-lapse of changing my spark plugs to show you if it'll focus. That's how bad the spark plug is. It's definitely not good. So that'll probably be the thing that I noticed the best is the spark plug is dirty going to clean from a race plug. So not the most accurate thing. But we're gonna try it out, see how it feels anyways. Yeah, let's go ahead and get the GPS on and throw it down the track. Do some polls, see if we can get some more mile an hour. Coasted further. I coasted even further. If I get much further, I'm going to need to start using the brake. 37 again. Didn't coast as far that time. Didn't coast as far, but I thought it felt better. 37 again. Alright, no stopping. We're just gonna go. And we're gonna brake. Alright guys, that might be our best one. We coasted far enough that we had to use our brake. 39! Woohoo! And I thought I let out early. So it makes slight difference. We're gonna go ahead and reset it. Drive down to the long range and do a test anyways. Okay, now we're going to be all good. We don't have much more time to go. I got a little bit of rain. 46 as well. So that's probably our governor speed. Alright, let's see what our speed run was. 46 again. 48! And I let off early. Alright, we're coming at you current time the day before this video gets released at about 10 p.m. We're in the garage. It's all cleaned out. This video is getting filmed in December. But yeah, going back to this video, hopefully you enjoyed. Did some work on the mini bike, and then did a lot of testing on the mini bike. Top speed, I got to 49. The next one video just decided to not work exactly all right, so I just cut it all out. So yeah, 2 different style testings. Hopefully you enjoy these style videos. I'm going to try to start getting a little bit better videos. I may not upload every Wednesday, but if there's going to be a video for the week, it's going to be Wednesday at 8 a.m. So, yeah. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video, though. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing on my channel, go out and go find your passions.